According to reports from DroneXL and Photo Rumors, DJI is expected to unveil the Mini 5 Pro on August 7, 2025. That would mark nearly 2 years since the release of the Mini 4 Pro, a solid gap that hints at some serious upgrades. However, ongoing trade tensions between China and the US could delay the launch. With tariffs and regulatory hurdles in play, the timeline might shift. Still, insiders suggest DJI is aiming for a summer release. Magnifying Glass tilted left what to expect, leaked features and specs. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything, leaked product labels and FCC filings give us a glimpse of what the Mini 5 Pro might offer. White heavy checkmark advanced obstacle avoidance, safer flying, even in tight spaces. White heavy checkmark LiDAR integration, precision mapping and better low-light navigation. White heavy checkmark upgraded camera and gimbal, possibly a 1-inch sensor for stunning image quality. White heavy checkmark larger motors and battery, more power and longer flight time. White heavy checkmark 25 km range, massive boost in connectivity and control. White heavy checkmark under 249 g weight, no registration required in many countries. White heavy checkmark fixed propellers, quieter operation for stealthier flights. If true, these features would make the Mini 5 Pro a beast in a tiny package, perfect for travelers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts on a budget. Camera with flash camera expectations, will it deliver? The biggest question mark is the camera. A 1-inch sensor seems likely, but DJI could surprise us with something even more powerful. After all, the Mavic 4 Pro raised the bar with its 100MP sensor, so expectations are sky high. For creators, a better sensor means richer detail, improved low-light performance, and more dynamic range. If DJI nails the optics, the Mini 5 Pro could become the go-to drone for budget filmmakers and aerial photographers. Test tube Mini 4 Pro set the standard, can Mini 5 Pro beat it? In our review of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, we were impressed by its performance, especially for a compact drone. It featured omnidirectional object detection, stronger transmission system, excellent RAW and JPEG image quality, beginner-friendly controls with pro-level features. The Mini 5 Pro has big shoes to fill, but if the leaks are accurate, it might just outshine its predecessor in every way. Money-bag pricing and tariff concerns. One potential downside? Pricing. With U.S. China trade tensions still unresolved, tariffs could push the Mini 5 Pro's price higher than expected. As of now, Chinese imports face a 30% tax in the US, and that could increase depending on upcoming policy decisions. So while the Mini 5 Pro is positioned as a budget-friendly drone, geopolitical factors might affect its affordability, at least in some markets. Brain final thoughts, a mini drone with major potential. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the perfect blend of portability, performance, and price. With pro-level features packed into a sub-250G frame, it's shaping up to be a dream drone for beginners and pros alike. If DJI delivers on these leaks, the Mini 5 Pro won't just be a minor upgrade, it could redefine what we expect from compact drones.